All right, so here's what we got here. I'm gonna go over the thumbnail or the cover, the description box, scheduling, draft linking, video linking, sharing to different platforms, the number of uploads at once, and the ease of use. I'm going to be having these side by side so you can kind of see all these, right? So let's go with the thumbnail cover. So with the thumbnail cover, I'm gonna hop in there. Yeah, you could just kind of scroll through. Okay, cool, you want that one? Okay, cool, done. Okay, so here we are on TikTok, right? This is the exact same channel. So I'm going to go to the thumbnail cover. Awesome. You have an option to do that. You know, you can pick a glitch, you know, and enter the text. Cool. I'm not going to jump into these things in detail. I will do that in another video. Okay, so now we're on Instagram Reels. So you can edit your thumbnail or your cover. Okay, cool. You can do that. Awesome. And then you can go to done. So now for your description box, right? You can just be like, okay, yes, you are cool, right? Awesome. You can add that in. Cool. And then for me, I like to put, like, I would say at most 3 hashtags on this, because I'm not trying to, you know, hashtag overload the actual title. I just want to mainly put it what it's about, right? And then from there, after you do your hashtags, but it's cool because it has options. As you just press hashtag, let's say shorts, you know, it's gonna show you, you know, how many videos and how many channels, right? So since this one's about dating, I'd be like, okay, DAT, and it'll start to show me options, and then I'll add an I. Cool. Advice, tips, coach. So you can actually use all these. I would just put what your niche is about. So let's actually just click dating. Okay, cool. So now for TikTok. So if you guys look here, you have 4,000 characters to actually put in there, which is awesome. But I wouldn't use all of 4,000. It's just not necessary. So of course I would put, you know, like the option you have, like what the video is about, and then of course your hashtags. I've already used all these, so it does help. So let's just say if I was going to do something about sports, okay, cool. But as you type stuff in, you guys, it goes all the way down, which is awesome. And then you can, let's just say, click that sports, right? And then of course, like, okay, I was on the moon or something, right? For the subject. I don't even know how to spell moon. Great. Anyways, so cool. And then, you know, if you wanted to mention somebody, you can. So that's done. You can tag people and all that kind of stuff. It's the exact same thing. You know, you can be like dating, okay, on the moon, right? Let's just, yeah, that's a little weird. And then you can go to hashtag shorts, you know, all that kind of stuff. So as you type stuff in, you know, it's going to pull stuff down. I'm going to use shorts. And so it also depends on your certain niche. So I'm going to go to hashtag dating, and it's going to pull all these up. You guys, it's got a lot more on Instagram. How sick is that? And you can kind of go in and be like, okay, I want to use the one that has 168K, the doors, but it makes no sense to all, like 150K for problems. So here's a small tip. You can actually cross-reference all of these tags and use them for your main tag list, if that makes sense. I will show you on PC once we get over to the computer. So if you guys hop over here, I'm gonna just press hashtag dating advice. Awesome. If you want to put like at some people, you know, I've been looking at certain podcasts to get ideas from, you know, all that kind of stuff. Let's just say that one. Cool. Let's scroll down a bit. Here's where for me is huge, is to have these scheduled out. So for this one, you can go to public, unlisted, or private. If you want to upload it like right now, you can press public. Okay, and do that there. And then with unlisted and private, you can just have this on your actual phone, as in save it for like a draft later on. So if you guys look here, you cannot schedule these out on the mobile app, which is no fun. So that means you actually have to go on TikTok and upload every day. And that takes time. Then you have to have these set up, like your title, hashtags, all that stuff. So that right there is the no fun. So now as we come down to scheduling, you guys, there's no option to do it right now. But again, I would save it as a draft, and then each day you have to go in and upload that draft. It's not a lot more work, but it's work, right? I would just prefer to have it done now and not have to worry about it, which is gonna hop into number 4 is draft linking. So if you wanna click it and use unlisted or private, you can, and you can put more options on the computer. And then to actually draft link, so what I mean by draft linking, you can't actually save this and then go onto your computer and upload it. It just won't let you. I tried it. It's it's no fun. You cannot draft link over this, as in have the draft saved on your phone and then upload it to your computer. Right here is going to be video linking, which is, oh my gosh, super cool. So you can have this linked. Let's just do this one. You can have it linked to other videos. It's huge if you want to keep people on your channel, just kind of go through scenes if you have episodes. There's so many options you can do with that, which is huge. And then on this platform as well, you cannot video link, which on YouTube you could. Super cool, super awesome, because again, if you have a podcast and you want people to see an episode, you want to link those shorts together to get that exposure. As well as that, you cannot link the videos together. All right, and then when you hop over here, you can't really share it to other platforms like Instagram and TikTok, which we're about to jump into, because on those platforms you actually can, which is very, very interesting. If you have your TikTok account linked to your Facebook, you could also do that as well, which YouTube you could not, which is unfortunate because it's going to be saving you time. So you actually can share this to different platforms. It has option like you do with TikTok. So you actually cannot upload multiple shorts at one time, as in you can't upload different shorts videos at one time, which sucks, because for me, I be uploading a lot, and I batch upload, and then from there I'll just have one post every day. As well with this option here on TikTok, it's the exact same as shorts. If you were to try and upload a lot of shorts at one time, you actually can't. It will link those together to make one full short, which again, if you are trying to do that, awesome. If not, I would say use the computer. So now, the ease of use, you guys, this is super simple. Come in there, podcast, cool, come down, select when you want to play. If not now, you can schedule it out. The related video, which is awesome. Shorts, remixing, have other people do it, right? And then you just go to upload short. Super simple. So now let's hop over to TikTok. It's super simple. You just come up to the top, you select a cover, you describe what it's about, add in a hashtag or so. Okay, cool. Tag people, add a link if you're trying to sell something, And then the options and all that kind of stuff. You can allow other people to use your stuff. Awesome. And then post. Cool. But if you do want to schedule it out, I would just make a few drafts and then go open the drafts and be like, okay, I already have this already pre-done. And then you can just hop on the draft and then, okay, you can be like, okay, cool.
You have a lot of people
done, and then you can go to post. So that's a small tip if you're going to use your phone as your main source to upload all of your shorts. For Instagram, like the ease of use is super simple. You just go in there and press the add button, and then you scroll down to whichever one you want to use. It's best to use something that's 60 seconds and below. You're gonna pick it, you're going to select it, add, then you're gonna go to either preview or edit cover. Edit cover, you're gonna scroll over, pick the right one, then you're gonna write your caption or whatever, and then add in your hashtags there, and then you're gonna pick one that makes sense. You're gonna scroll down, you can tag products, all that extra stuff, and then you can go to add topics. So this one should help out with the algorithm, and then you're gonna pick one that makes sense for your niche. Then you're gonna scroll down and click share, and that's it. Super simple. Be sure to watch this video right here. It will be going over all of the uploading options on an actual computer. If you found any of the value, please like, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.